All right, day 27 of my Revolver collection shorts, and today we have a little bit of an older Smith & Wesson. This is a K-frame Model 19-3. This is a 6-shot 357 Magnum. Now, this was a gift from a friend, Dan, over at Sporting Systems, because he knew this was the gun that was issued back in my day for carry for police officers. It is a 6-inch barreled Model 19. This is an older school Smith. It does have the recessed cylinders. It does have the pinned barrel. It does have the case-hardened hammer and trigger, and unfortunately, it does still have the fixed front sight. And it also has the original boot grips on it here. Like I said, the majority of police officers in the day were issued guns very similar to this one. It is definitely a workhorse gun, and it is my Smith & Wesson 6-inch barreled 357 Magnum Model 19-3.